In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Analytics. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Now, in the address bar at the top, type in Google Analytics, or for a more direct route, enter the website address: marketingplatform.google.com about analytics. Hit enter and watch as the page loads to reveal Google Analytics' main site, which offers a myriad of tools and solutions tailored for your business. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first visit. Here you should see various options detailing the analytics tools. Your focus should be on the upper right hand corner of your screen where you'll see the Sign into Analytics button. Click on this button. It's easy to spot but can sometimes be overlooked due to the abundance of information on the page. This will direct you to the login page. You'll now find yourself on the login screen. Here you need to enter your Google account credentials. Be sure to use the email address associated with your Google Analytics account. It's the same email and password you use for other Google services. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to recover it. Just follow the on-screen instructions for resetting. After entering your credentials, click Next. This might bring you to a screen where you can choose between multiple accounts if you have more than one link to Google Analytics. Select the correct account from the list. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps you have in place to secure your account. This is a crucial step in protecting your data, especially if you're handling sensitive business information. Now you've made it into the Google Analytics home. You'll see an interface filled with graphs and data ready for your exploration. This is where you can start analyzing your website traffic, user behavior, and more. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. Google provides many resources to help you make sense of it all. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into Google Analytics. From here, explore the various reports and insights available to boost your understanding of how your website or app performs. With practice, the process will become second nature, enabling you to unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides on essential digital tools. Until next time, happy analyzing.